Hi guys, and we're gonna do the ceiling fan view. All right, here we go. We're gonna do the ceiling fan view. All right, here it is.
Okay, I
The
don't
ceiling
want to
fan.
my shirt on.
The ceiling fan view. All right. Here, have a look at this. That's the ceiling fan view. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go say hi to my 3-year-olds and dad and mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Liam.
Okay.
Hi, Lana.
Hi.
Yeah.
And then
Let's say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Peace out. So, while he's playing this, Warface, we're gonna talk about Osman the second. All right. I'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna talk about Osman the second. All right. Here he is. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's talk about it. Osman II is the Sultan. Born on November 3rd, 1604 in Istanbul, Turkey, at the Topkapi Palace Museum. Assassinated May 20th, 1622 in Yekazul Fortress, Istanbul, Turkey. Place of burial is Blue Mosque, Istanbul, Turkey. Symbol is Murad the fourth and Ibrahim the first and Zazay Suleiman and more. Thus Akil Haddon and Assis Sultan. I can't pronounce it. Children is Sahed Amr and Zay Mustafasa is the next Sultan, alright? Okay. So that'll be it for now, everyone. This video, thumbs up in the comments down below. Please subscribe to our channels, 4 channels, Total Ingles, Ingles, English places. Bye. See you real soon. Hope you have a nice time. Bye bye. See ya.